Let's make some coconut chocolate ladoos today. They are not only simple and quick to prepare, but healthy and delicious too. A perfect gift to gift your friends and family this festive season. As I always say, eat homemade and stay healthy. Hi everyone, welcome to Homemade. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider to subscribe it and do not forget to hit the bell icon for further notification. Firstly, roast 1 cup of peanuts for 5 to 7 minutes on a low flame till they start popping and you get a nice color. Take it out in a plate and keep it aside. In the same kadai, dry roast 2 cups of desiccated coconut. Roast till you get a nice golden color. Stir it continuously so that the coconut doesn't burn. Take it out in a plate and keep it aside. Next, rub off the skin of the peanuts roughly. After that, in a mixer grinder jar, grind the peanuts coarsely. Scrape the sides and add 2 teaspoons of desi ghee and grind it till you get peanut butter. Into the same grinder, add the roasted coconut and grind it till well mixed. Don't overground it. Next, add around 10 medium-sized dates. Remove the seeds of the dates and then add it. Along with it, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder and a fat pinch of salt. Grind it till you get a dough-like consistency. Take it out in a bowl and keep it aside. Further, we are going to melt 1/3 cup of chopped dark chocolate along with 1 teaspoon of ghee. Melt it in the microwave. Add 2 tablespoons of honey or dates honey. Mix it well. Pour it in the coconut peanut mixture and mix till the chocolate is well combined. After mixing everything together, finally start binding the ladoos. You can coat the ladoos in chocolate shavings or desiccated coconut. If you like my recipe, please do share this video with your friends and family. I hope this festive season brings joy and happiness. Happy Diwali. God bless. Bye bye.